Hello everyone, this is Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 21, जिसका नाम है The Road Not Taken, and it's a poem written by Robert Frost. Let's start discussing the book exercise for Unit 21 by discussing questions related to reading comprehension first. So our first question is, why is the poem titled as The Road Not Taken? Why not The Road Taken, since it was the road taken that made all the difference? Answer: the poem is not about the road which is usually taken by people. The poem is about the road which is not mostly taken by people. That is why its title is The Road Not Taken. The poem is also entitled as The Road Not Taken because it is the story of the road which is not taken by a majority of people. The poet makes the point that the difference between ordinary and extraordinary people is that ordinary people make choices which are made by most of the people, whereas extraordinary people make choices which are not made by many people. It is this choice that makes all the difference and make them extraordinary. Second question, what difference is the poet talking about? Can you make an informed guess? Answer: the poet is talking about the difference between ordinary and extraordinary people. The poet makes the point that the difference between the ordinary and extraordinary people is that